Hello everyone, my name is DIKSHA. Welcome back to my channel. So I get a lot of DMs from you guys that you ask a lot of questions over Instagram, over LinkedIn, over YouTube comments related to studies and related to your career, related to job as well. So there are a lot of questions from your side. So it is not possible for me to address each and every question or each and every query वन बाय वन. और बहुत सी क्वेश्चंस तो ऐसे होते हैं जो मिस आउट भी हो जाते हैं और मैसेजेस में या फिर टाइप करके आई कांट एक्सप्लेन दैट मच क्लियरली. मतलब बहुत कुछ बताना होता है बट वो क्लियरली मैं लिख कर नहीं बता सकती, समझा सकती हूँ आपको किसी भी चीज़ जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन हो. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज दैट यू कैन नाउ बुक योर मीटिंग विथ मी एंड दैट इज़ कॉल्ड mymeet.io. ओके, सो वहाँ जाकर आप एक मीटिंग बुक कर सकते हैं मेरे साथ. So, this is how you can book your meeting. Just click on the link provided in my about section. Then you will see my Meet page where I have listed services and their charges. Then you can make payment before or after booking your meeting. Click on the box, select your slot and click on book my meeting. Type your name, email and phone number and agenda of meeting. Just briefly explain what you want to discuss in the meeting and click on submit. And your meeting is booked. And before booking your meeting, you have to pay a very nominal charge, okay? And that I have fixed too because I want कि only genuine one, जिनको genuine कोई doubt है या query है, वो ही इस platform के through मुझे reach out करें, okay? So और and I want कि बहुत ही professional तरीके से हम इसको execute करें. Okay, so let me tell you more about this platform and why I am using Mymeet and not any other platform for this. So let me give you an example. मेरा ही example लेते हैं. Like I want to start this particular meeting sessions with you on one-on-one basis. So मुझे एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए था जहाँ पर मेरी ऑडियंस जो मुझे वॉच करती है ऑन सोशल मीडिया वो आए और अपनी मीटिंग बुक करे जो भी टाइम स्लॉट अवेलेबल हो. अब इसमें मैंने कुछ चीज़ें अपने अकॉर्डिंग सेट कर रखा है कि मुझे ये वाले डेट्स पर आई कैन शेड्यूल अ मीटिंग एंड ये वाले टाइम स्लॉट्स अवेलेबल हैं. Okay, so let me show you how it works and how you can create a profile here and everything about Mymeet. Let's go. This is how you can register on Mymeet. Type your name, username you want, email and password. Your profession, then click agree and register. Now you can add number of services. Just give the name of the service, duration and fix the rate if you want to charge. Now you can set availability as per your choice, add multiple slots day-wise or even you want a holiday for a particular day. You can mark it as holiday so no bookings will be made for that day. Now create your profile that will be visible to your client, add picture and all basic details. Add your social media links, payment method and add your logo. You will have a URL link for Mymeet which you can copy and paste to your social media accounts. So Mymeet is a great platform where you can generate extra income by sharing your time and knowledge, where you don't have to use multiple tools for simple scheduling and video meeting. So start developing your personal brand with mymeet.io. I am using Mymeet and I find it very easy to create a profile here and it is very easy for other people as well to book a meeting on it. Very simplified procedure is there and I'm getting a quite good response on it. Thank you for watching. That's it for the video. Let's meet in the next video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel and please share this video. Take care. Bye.